Welcome to City of Greater Bendigo. As a potential investment hotspot, Bendigo offers a dynamic property market ripe for strong capital growth and high rental yields. But before we dive in, ensure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more valuable insights. Let's talk new projects. Greater Bendigo is booming with significant developments, enhancing its allure for investors. Some standouts include Thales Australia's Bendigo manufacturing facility, valued at $30 million, aiming to boost munitions production. Lastly, keep an eye on the Kangaroo Flat Solar Farm, a pivotal $50 million project poised to drive sustainable energy. These projects underline Bendigo's robust economic future and driving demand for housing. While new projects are sprouting, it's crucial to assess the supply of new homes. This rate is comfortably balanced, suggesting demand is expected to rise well above supply, ideal for capital growth. Locations. Bendigo's utility locations offer substantial community value. Key amenities such as Bendigo Hospital and Woolworths are within reach, alongside excellent educational institutes like La Trobe University. Access to these facilities adds tremendous value to property investments by enhancing livability and attracting diverse demographics. In terms of best performing suburbs, look to Morong, where house prices are on an upwards trend at $637,188. This suburb promises a strong capital growth trajectory and maintains heightened desirability with substantial infrastructure in place. Diversity is Bendigo's forte in employment, greatly reducing risk. Healthcare and retail trade sectors comprise the highest employment percentages at 18% and 12% respectively. The average income has shown a steady incline, now standing at $1,320, supporting the area's economic resilience and financial health within the community. Greater Bendigo's projected population growth remains robust, with an expected increase to 137,804 by 2029. Such growth drives competition in housing, which in turn fuels potential rental and property value increases. Essential for any investment strategy. Invest where growth is truly backed by numbers, a philosophy we live by at Picki. If you're excited to explore these insights further, visit picki.com.au. Subscribe if you haven't already, and embrace the journey of intelligent investment. We're here to support you every step of the way.